Such a model can then be replicated in other urban centers of Pakistan. Full stop. The writer is a strategy specialist and member of the Karachi Transformation Committee. Full stop. He is a founding member of Hisar Foundation's think tank on rational use of water. Full stop. There is one thing that the government and opposition parties could agree on. It would be disagreeing with each other at every opportunity, even if it meant that governance had to take a back seat, with important decisions being perpetually stalled. Full stop. Give a fresh opportunity to be at each other's throats. Full stop. The PTI and its political rivals are at loggerheads on the important issue of the implementation of the National Action Plan, a collective vow taken by political parties and institutions in the aftermath of the 2014 Army Public School massacre to tackle the plague of terrorism. Full stop. As expected, due to political differences, major opposition parties are considering a boycott of a scheduled briefing on the implementation of NAP. Full stop. The JUI has announced its decision to skip the March 28 meeting, and the PMLN and PP are mulling the boycott option, with leader of the opposition in the National Assembly Shehbaz Sharif stating that Prime Minister Imran Khan should brief the entire parliament instead of some lawmakers only, and the PP saying it will be difficult for the party to sit with government functionaries after the brutal police action against its workers in Islamabad. Full stop. Meanwhile, the government and opposition, by not holding the required consultations, have created yet another hurdle for the appointment of two ECP members. Full stop. That the two major opposition parties have serious political differences with the government